Hey, good morning, Steve. This is James with Genuine Leads. I called yesterday about doing a audit for your website. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. So first, I want to say that you do have a pretty nice website. Um, your phone number up here should be click to call. Google likes to see that. It's a lot easier for them to track um, and find out who actually reached out to you, right? And to be honest with you, you should blow that up quite a bit. Make it larger so that way it sticks out, right? So anywhere there's word content on your site, on your homepage, Google calls that command content, and Google likes to see around 1,500 words of command content throughout your homepage. Right now you're at 621, so you could boost that up, to the 1,500 mark, and that would definitely help you bring in more customers. Also, through that content is organic keywords, right? And organic keywords is anytime somebody types, like a potential customer types something into Google to find your service, whether it be heating and cooling, Toledo, Ohio, HVAC, Toledo, Ohio, or any surrounding areas that you provide services for. Or whatever keywords that you were trying to hit, right? So, all right. So what I did was I typed in HVAC Toledo, Ohio. Right here is considered your map pack, and you typically want to be the top three here because this is actually 30% of 30% of your potential customers click right here at the map pack, right? And in order to rank top three is reviews, how many pictures you have listed, and how many citations you have. Now, citations is any time that your business name, phone number, and address is listed into another website, and then Google will issue one citation for that. Citations also help list you to the top organically in this section right here, which this is the organic listings, right? I see that right now you are number 8 position for this organic keyword. So what I did was I took your number 1 competitor and your website, and I put both of those into a software that I use. And just to give you a heads up, right? So number 1 position is Angie's List. 2 is Yelp. I'm not going to put them into my software because technically that's not a competitor for you, right? So I put in Glass City Heating and Air Conditioning. Let's see. Which, we'll go ahead and look at their website real quick. So they do have click to call. They have click to call here as well. And right now they have 1,103 words of command content throughout their site. So this is definitely beatable, right? So let's go ahead and go Glass City. So this right here is your trust factor with Google, and Glass City is 29 out of 100. Their power rating is 4.2 out of 100. They have 79 back. And a backlink is a shout out from another website that gives you exposure and power, right? Yeah, they have 139 organic keywords. And like I said before, that's organic keywords throughout your homepage there. They have 127 organic traffic each month. Now let's take a look at your site. So you have a higher trust factor with Google, 45 out of 100. That's that's excellent. You have a power rating of 19 out of 100. You have 2,650 backlinks and 571 organic keywords throughout your website. You have 313 organic traffic. So your number one competitor on HVAC Toledo, right? You're outbeating them across the board. So by increasing your command content up to the 1,500 mark, like we discussed earlier, and creating more citations for your website would definitely give you more revenue, right? Because if you outrank Glass City, then you're potentially going to get 127 more people on your web page per month, which is huge, right? So can you do me a huge favor and please give me some feedback? Even if you're 100% not interested, right? At least give me some feedback. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you for your time, for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.